Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to extract price from the page with Google Tag Manager by DOM scraping method. So we can see that is our product page and see the price. So now we see that how to access price on a page if developer and custom data layer is not available. So how can we scrape this price and push our data layer? So let's get started. So we just copy the price from the product page and right click inspect. We are just see that we are find out the price from this element. So right click the element and copy JS path, go to console and paste it. Dot, we just putting the short code that is inner text. See, we are find out the price. But here is the problem is some platform like Facebook and Google Analytics do not accept the kind of format that is the string value. So we are now convert the string to number value for that price because Facebook and Google or other marketing platform do not accept the string value. So we have to convert the number value. So we are just again copy this code and paste it and dot for replacing we are just put the code and now enter. You can see that our dollar sign is do not showing here, so we are find out our targeted code and now we are copy the code and back to our Google Tag Manager. So that is our Google Tag Manager interface. I hope you are all understand what is tag trigger variables. If you do not yet, you can check out my YouTube channels. Here I share the lots of video. From this video you can understand how to set up tag trigger variables. So now we are go to the variables section and new variable configuration. Now we select the custom JavaScript, write the code that is function, first bracket is start, first bracket closed, and second bracket is start, second bracket close. And so under the second bracket we just type the return and paste the code which we are copy from the browser console and giving the variable name that is CGS custom JavaScript product price and save it. For this work, ideally you need to hire a developer or ask him or her push this information to the data layer, but sometimes it's not possible. So for that you can easily by using a DOM scraping method you can put any kind of value in your data layer. So we are completed the all task. Now go to the preview options and check out that our value is pushed into data layer or not. So go to the preview and go to our product page. And now back to tag assistant in the view item. So now we can see that CJ's product price as a string value 350. Here is a problem. We are just see the string value, do not the number value. So for that we are again go to our variable. So we can put the small quote again that is first float and cover it with the first bracket all of quote and again save it. So again go to the preview and check out that our string value type converted string to number or not. So again go to product page and back to tag assistant and that view item section, go to variable. Here we can see that our CGS product price showing the number value 350, not a string value. So we can easily sending any kind of marketing platform the price without any data layer and without any developer help. So by the DOM scraping method, we can easily push the any kind of product price in our data layer. So thanks for watching this video. I will see in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.